This video shows how to refresh Benz VGS2-NAG2 gearbox. You can click Help document to check the connection diagrams. Check the accessories we need. Install the interface board. Short circuit the CAN resistor on the OBD+ICP adapter to the CAN to our drain side. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose Benz. Choose Gearbox Clone Refresh. Choose C class. Choose VGS2-NAG2. Choose Refresh. Make sure ACDP device is connected to the gearbox. Click Continue. Check Personalize it and activate Yes. That means the gearbox has not been refreshed. Confirm the system information and click Continue. This is the system information file storage path. Choose Automatic Calculation Erase Password. The online password calculation is about to begin. Ready to erase date. Erase system date finish. Choose Identify. Make sure that the ACDP device is connected to the gearbox. Click Continue. Make sure Personalized and Activated are no. That means the gearbox data has been erased. Thank you for watching.